Put it in your mouth and chew it and eat it.
Oh, that's not
She's gonna throw up.
Hey guys, remember the other day when I got this stuff from It's Sugar? The box, whatever, the Japanese Snack Pack, that's what it was called. Well, today we unboxed it. Let's see what's inside. Ah! Oh god. Wow. About us. We love Japanese snacks and how they add excitement to any occasion. Crave Japan is our way of sharing the snacks that give us so much joy with as many people as we can. In the box. I don't want to know what's in the box, I want to guess. Wait, there was another page
Look
though.
at this rosé.
Oh, it's just more stuff.
They have the, oh, this is lemon,
Sugar candy.
lemon cookies.
Lemon cookies.
What are we doing? Taking them out? Maybe read them?
Yeah, it looks like little just like sugar rope things.
How much air is in this bag?
Cookies.
What?
Chocolate
Japan is
cookies.
even worse than us with the air in the
They
bags?
don't have the
This is
taste.
some kind of a sucker.
I'm kind of a sucker.
Here's a strawberry fish.
Is that really what this is? Oh my gosh, it's literally a fish.
Oh, that looks,
I'm not
let's
sure
get-
what that
hold on,
means.
let me try that.
In Japanese. Priyam kake.
Oh wait,
On the back, if you can read Japanese
Oh.
instructions.
yeah,
This was
there's...
made in Vietnam.
Oh my god, it's made in Vietnam. Nope, this whole box, nope. No, this is scam.
Maruta
Totally like a hobo.
Natsusaki Ramune. Ooh, chocolate cracker.
This is weird. Oh, you can't take the cream because I ate it.
Rice cracker.
This?
Hold on. This product contains chemicals known in the state of California to cause
What?
Okay, cream cake down.
Cream cake down. Ah!
Chocolate stacks.
I don't want this. This seems like it's gonna be gross.
What? Ow.
The strawberry fish.
I'll try the strawberry fish. Opening the strawberry fish, everyone. Strawberry fish. Strawberry fish. Open. Smells like one of those things that like.
The wafers.
Yeah, the wafers. That's what I was thinking. Oh, this is like light. This is really light. It feels like styrofoam. Is this styrofoam?
Wait.
Fish heads. Gross.
No good?
Smell it.
Want to try some?
Black
Try a little bit of the tail.
gummies.
Whoa, that was a big bite.
No, it's got cream in the middle of it, like a wafer cracker.
Yeah.
I can't find that. Oh, here we go.
Oh, they got jelly beans.
Soft dry. Create your own ice cream. That's what this is. It doesn't tell you in English how to make it though.
What are you doing? Oh, hey, that's not me.
I want to try the rock candy. It's resealable.
Resealable.
Pineapple flavor. I wasn't paying attention. These are good. Pineapple-y.
Really? That was a good fish wafer. I'm not wearing this.
Candy.
This is just candy. I'll try some of these pineapple boys. Oh, you got some in your hand?
Have some.
Stuck to your
I don't
hand.
know what this is. This one has directions too.
Oh, those are really good. Actually.
They are good. It's not that terrible pineapple taste sometimes you get.
It's really just long.
And then
Looks
these
like a
are
firework. Japan, yes. Japan is like really weird.
What do
wanna
we have
try-
here? These look good. Chocolate cookies.
Choco San. Oh, I didn't even see these. These look like something American.
These look good.
Ah! I dropped some of my pineapple things. Interesting. I want to eat one of these potato
Yeah,
sticks.
let's open the potato sticks.
These, literally, this, is just a French fry. That's what a potato stick is. Oh, you know what it might be? It might be like
spicy shrimp flavored.
I was just about.
I don't want that.
I was just about to say spicy shrimp because look at this.
Ew. Ew.
Spicy shrimp flavor potato
I don't
sticks.
want that.
I need to like pop this bag.
You want me to open it?
No, I'll pop it.
It's
Why?
not even. You're gonna smash all your potatoes if you do that.
I'm scared there's a bunch of spicy shrimp potato sticks gonna fly everywhere.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh,
Does
it
it
smells
smell?
like cat food.
It does? I didn't smell it.
Smell it.
Oh my god. You try it before me, you're more tolerable to that.
Well, I want something to have afterwards, so I'm gonna
Yeah.
open up
Choco sand?
these choco cookies. No, but oh, I thought you were eating it already.
No.
Great. Oh,
I figured.
it's just, it smells worse than it tastes.
Is that like the worst? What's the worst part of it? Like the
The
heart?
stinkiness,
But like in the taste.
the shrimp taste.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm scared because they smell horrible.
Mm-hmm. Don't smell it, just put it in your mouth.
Oh, that's not
He's gonna throw up. Gonna break into this resealable candy here.
What was that?
Oh, you don't want it. It's the potato chips. It's spicy shrimp flavor.
Oh my god, that tastes like cat
You want to just
food.
smell
What
it?
the
It smells
heck?
like cat food. I'm gonna open up whatever this thing is.
Is it mints or is it just candy?
I don't know. I think it's just candy. Looks like a Smartie almost.
That's what I thought.
Try these, honey. The pineapple flavor. You gonna be all right?
Yeah. You only told me they smell. You told me they didn't taste like cat food.
Jelly beans. Do they have weird flavors in their jelly beans?
Probably spicy shrimp flavored jelly beans. Choco sand. I don't get the name Choco sand.
Don't look like normal jelly beans. Good.
Are they like mediocre good or are they good?
Well, they're not freaking Russell Stover jelly beans.
They have a weird texture, but not bad. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. Like it's rubbery at first, and then.
I'm not having a problem eating it. I'll tell you that. Jeez, these are gonna expire soon.
What? One. September.
October. Ah, I can't get it over.
What was the one that we
Oh
had?
dear, these melted.
Oh.
These are good.
Look at this.
If we ever go to Japan now, we'll know what snacks to buy.
Not to buy potato sticks. Because they nasty. I want to try the big dinosaur, the big gummy dinosaur.
We'll go ahead.
Oh, that was easy. I figured I'd have to like.
Yeah.
Oh, it is little fruit snacks.
Are they cold flavored?
They might be cola flavored.
Are those gross?
They don't taste like cola, but they definitely smell like cola. There's a little bit of cola. You say
It's
cola.
apple flavor.
Apple.
That's what they're trying for.
They're trying for apple. Maybe it's like a preservative that they use in Japan.
I'm gonna try these lemon cookies now. I'm gonna try everything here.
Oh my god.
Lemon cookie.
Lemon cookie. At the end, we're gonna choose our two favorite. Lemon pack. I feel like that was a case of bad translation.
I want a lemon flavor out of that guy.
Lemon pack. Pack of lemon. No, on the lemon pack there.
Jesus, these do say they cause cancer. What the hell is in this? I have to say my favorite is probably the sugar candy so far.
I'm gonna say.
I did like the ho-ho cake though.
Oh, the cream cake. Yeah, that was pretty good. Well, we didn't open these.
Alright, we'll open those then. I can't try the freaking rice cake because I don't want to get cancer.
The cancer cakes are out. No cancer cakes.
I don't know why they put cancer cakes in a box.
I mean, according to the state of California, everything causes cancer, but
I'm
still.
gonna try maybe a bite. I don't know. Maybe
We're not good on the cancer cakes. Whoa! I thought this would be multiple chocolate wafers. No,
I'll
it's
just pull the whole darn thing out. We're not gonna eat the whole thing right now.
I was trying it.
Take it off.
Turd. That's a decent size one. Ah! Is it good? I'm gonna
Weird.
try.
It's
Weird?
like you're eating chocolate air.
We need to sign up for one of those snack things so we can do one of these a month.
Weird.
What's weird? That
That's
is
not
weird.
my favorite.
No, that's not my favorite either.
Just about does it, except for the grape Twizzlers here.
Oh, we forgot about the grape flavors. The chocolate wafer was kind
You
of.
smell exactly like fruit by the foot.
Really? I haven't had fruit by the foot in a long
The grape one. Oh my god, there's a little sourness though. It's like a grape flavored
Fruit candy for when you need some fruit in your life. Oh, Yelkin potato. Oh, this was the same company that made the potato sticks. What? No, I don't trust this company. Spicy shrimp flavored potato stick, highly addicting. I will have to disagree to that one. Oh.
I had
the little
those.
cola bottle. Oh, you
Those
did?
taste like Smarties.
Oh, did you have them when I was puking?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Oh, it was in this. That's open. I didn't open it, so.
No, well this coupon's expired, so I'm glad they gave it to us.
What were your favorites? Your top three?
Probably the pineapple candy.
Alright, that's your one. Probably
Pineapple candy.
little
Cream
rock,
cake.
like little rock candies.
The cream cake.
The cream cake. And your number three? Say
Just
the-
the chocolate sticks.
I was gonna say the chocolate sticks were my third too.
Yes.
Competto, rock candy things. Oh, these were pretty good. Everything was good. These, the wafer, and the chocolate sticks. Alright guys, thanks for watching. And another video will be out with me and Megan trying them. Specifically Megan. So, yeah. Peace. Ah, shit.